How to create an event on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, navigate to the server that you want to create the event in. Once you are there, just click on the name of the server at the top and you will get this list right here, from which you want to click on this option that says create event. And here you would be able to create an event following these steps. So the first step is to choose where your event will be. So you can choose either a voice channel. As you can see here, it says Hangout with voice, video, screen share, or go live. Or you can choose somewhere else where you will be able to choose text channel, external link, or in-person location. And you can enter the location or link right here. So I'm going to choose the first option and I will select the general channel. You can choose another channel if you have more, and let's click on next at the bottom to move on to the second step, where you will be able to choose the what's your event will be about. So the first thing is your event topic. So let me just click on um, something like that, meeting, and you can choose the start date. From here you can choose the start time, as you can see, and you can add a description. So I'm just going to add a random description, be there, and let's click on next to move to the third and last step, where you will see the preview of your event, as you can see right here. And let's click on the bottom option that says create event. As soon as you do that, you will see that the event has been created. It's right here, as you can see. So if you click on it, it will show you this event right here. It's meeting, the starting time and day, the description, and the channel or something like that we've chosen. So if you click on it, you will be able to modify the event. As you can see, it shows you to start the event, to edit, to cancel, to report, or to copy the ID. It's that easy and simple, and feel free to share. You can share it right here or whatever, and people also can choose interested or not interested, so they get notified when the event starts. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can create a Discord event. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.